I'm in a 1830 vintage home that is actually very, very cool in the construction. I want to share something very unique with you that I almost never see. You guys have seen my videos talking about balloon framing, and then you've also heard me talking about post and beam. There was a period, this home in 1830, there was a period when they were doing balloon frame structures, and it was kind of a hybrid between post and beam and balloon framed. It was one of the earliest balloon framed homes. I'm going to flip the camera. You'll see over here we have this strung back. We've got this support system, the rafter supports put in. And you'll notice that it's peg joinery. And that is very cool stuff. All right, but if you look here, you're going to notice a post in the corner coming up, peg joinery there, and then you got this top beam. Runs all the way across. There is another post right there coming up. But you'll notice in between those, you've got your 45-degree, angle supports put in. But then you'll notice that there is balloon framed studs coming up from the foundation. Now, I'm on the 3rd floor right now. I'm in an attic. Those studs run all the way down to the foundation. That's what makes this a balloon frame structure. All the way around it, there are very long studs. This home, I think they're close to 30 feet long. They're solid studs that go from the foundation to this top beam, this roof line. But it's interesting to see the posts and the beam with the balloon framed studs in it. Most of the balloon frame structures that I inspect don't have the posts. They just have the studs and then the top beam and the bottom sill beam. I wanted to share this with you because this is actually kind of a cool era of homes. They didn't do it this way long. And I want you to compare the construction that you see in here and how stout this is, how well built, all the peg joinery, just how stout they build homes back then. This is all old growth hardwood, and they just don't do it like this anymore. And then we always get into the argument, a lot of home inspectors and a lot of contractors, we'll get into the argument about the ridge boards. I've often said, and a lot of people, agree that ridge boards are not structural. And this is a perfect testament to that because you're going to notice there is no ridge board. So as long as the rafters meet up, you don't actually need a ridge board at all because that's not a structural piece. And you'll see over here, it is the same. And then if you look right there, that is evidence of a bat infestation because that is bat guano. And so that's a big bunch of yep. But that right there is a big bunch of nope.